crime branch has conducted a narcotic raid in a rented premise at Dondo Siolim and has arrested one Cameroon national for being in illegal possession of drugs worth 15 lakh 25,000 rupees. Acting upon a specific information, crime branch team raided that rented premise at Dando Siolim and found that accused person, namely Nambong Fred Karl, who is 21 years old Cameroon national, was in illegal possession of drugs like cocaine and other drugs worth 15.25 lakh rupees. The crime branch team has produced the accused before JMFC court and the court has sent the accused person into police custody for 4 days. The crime branch team through FRRO Goa has also informed the Cameroon consulate about the arrest of accused Nambong in the case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.